Short explanation on Patricia and John Quigley's pressure pump. So what's happening is if you turn on a tap until the pump cuts in and cuts out again, then what you do is, firstly, if you turn on a hot water tap and slowly until it cuts in, we have an expansion vessel on the hot water side. Then what you'll find is the pump takes quite a while to turn on. You might get 4, 5, 10 litres of water until it turns on, and then it'll fill up the expansion tank again and turn off. But on the cold side, if the pump powers up and then cuts out in pressure again, now if you turn on a cold tap very slowly, you'll only get half a mug full or less before it switches on again, and that's because there's no expansion valve on the cold side. And it's all down to there's our output there, and it's all down to this non-return valve on that there, and that's separating the pump from the hot side expansion vessel. So what we need is an expansion vessel to cover the cold side, or both essentially, and it needs to go at that point. So somewhere between the output and the pressure reducer there, and that non-return valve, so it needs to be tapped in there somewhere on that pipe or on another T-piece there. And the bigger the better. The bigger it is, the bigger it is, the more water you'll get before it cuts in, and then the pressure in it should be set to something just above the cut-in pressure.